The presidential staffer and a correspondent, Mamponde share, Abusu paying over 6 houses. A year that se bread share back up. Or a philanthropist, I create a brass or the Asemedica, a bro. Akwasi match.
You said and a done me no buana. Yes, I'll say 8.
Say, Bia, he works a housing minister. Demolition, because we are going for that. So, oh, Adom, yeah, maybe I wanted the insured on paper, but more had the mono. More than we desert is send me more eastern region. Okay. And I'm Pedu, you know. I'm Pedu, greater crowd, baby. Maybe I'm Pedu to the house.
Or you could vote aside because or was our share.
Yes. Maybe on Timum. Oh, the bar.
Timmy, much pa, the Bahano.
My catchers on check it, the name because. As young as he is, no. Yeah. Oh, sorry, 2 a.m. every day, and you're healthy. Maybe out there. Say, Obi, I'll party a phone so. Oh, quite chilly,
so my catcher say, a cruma, the old can come, maybe a bit. Maybe I was a castle. And a castle. Now, the actual so to Canada. Oh, my Biasha, oh, Bibia, a quick one. 23rd January.
Yes.
A female now named Minister for Transport.
Yes.
A interview.
Yes, Asem, yes.
Emma Moka Mori.
Yes.
Sea Defense once.
Yes, Sea Defense.
That's quickly. My family called Ghana News Agency.
Okay.
Where last year?
Mori Committee appeals for Sea Defense war. More Mr. Mathieu Boyson, Assemblyman for Bench Electoral Area in Mori, a fishing committee in the Central Region, has appealed to the government to include the town in the ongoing sea defense project along the region's coastal stretch. Yeah, okay. So the wall will therefore protect the low-lying, blah, 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 blah. Yeah.
After that, a quick one, my pictures near SC Best 2 days ago, El Mori. Okay.
BBS, you are.
Wait. Last year, and I'm here appeal. This year, 23rd January, and a transport minister, Betna can't say, and Penfo to one more. Oh man, Yatna see and Shahai, I'm a sunetchi. Afa man for fear, and these are some of a man for fear. Yeah, tidal waves na saying.
If he,
yes.
If you had an almost a GMS, has she no?
Yeah, and the free commander and a day eba. And no ma catch you almost say, baby, a mojadia to one no say, I saw chini bois. A bay hundia maye. I saw chini bois, a bay hundia may. And see at now, Governor. This is the net effect. Of yebeye.
Eka almost share home.
Transport minister say, about the share go kwemo ebeye we dia bom, and this Asem o can wo Badwam eso. And I'm say last year, and I'm for this sample to catch that by say. Side sea defense ni started air from commander Eddie Eba, a free Mina Eddie Eba ni nyina no. Say ya antwasu here because you are blocking one part into no pressure beba hanom.
Until what is the next step that the transport ministry is supposed to come and put this there? But the damage.
Yes, ini. Oh man, me baba no. And yes, ini. And abusia close to best say 500 or 800 of mine. Baby on beda and why you ding?
One mom quiet someone now. What a mom quiet someone now, was he? That's another question. I'm where a mom couple so for Nibiana.
Debbie,
these are houses there.
Yes. And oh man, Debbie and Macassa Asem way. Send yet no may moi. Or he be twice Asem, you know. Not to Quessiswa, and you'll be Asem, young can an Asem. Assembly bit Nasi Yan Lands Commission Nasi Yan, Emma Crawford Assassin Bosso. Not to question you couldn't pay any of be action.
Perfect.
What about motorway?
Perfect.
Motorway, ya demarcation, so we need a certain medium. Many pandas and sit down. And then I'm for crossing motorway.
Another dangerous issue on the background.
Set car be near Kuobia. But
that's what I'm saying, sir. This morning, 785 buildings to go down at Chado. Any assembly one. No, any assembly one.
MC
Any pennyphobia, more suppose
planning commission boss. No,
so some of these things, in as much as because my attention is being drawn to the fact that any who can cross these access to such a dangerous area. So
and that's show.
But that's it. That's because
no,
a worrying because we need and the team a home so we know I had to say you are normal in this country. I was see and I need kuni pano. He say oh the man works as a minister no. And I say a honorable Asem.
Yeah.
Oh no what you say biana it is so mo yedro na sika 7 to change in ro. Omo yo ma je say ye be move sanko fo ni nyina na
Asem for friend ba ba me see o man until say ye be punish penifo bia e wo esoro ho no mo assembly ho no ye atras ye hwehan ama we asi no see ye ni say o kene ba be boku.
But who is punishing who?
That is it. Because MC no to one no ye no juma de ni shede sa on the plan office om hwe say because so be see dan aba pano sia there should be a certain meters to be away. Eti any up and for by see defense said be yapono entwima ekro but say e ben say ya kakra bi sia e be dwumu dem
we dey enya dan we dey ohwe mo picture here anwa na wa say terminal e we dey say omo dey ni omo dey we dey say enya wait so the issue is that you are Kano we are sympathizing with Ebusu Amo go through this but sometimes I ignore the sympathy simply because we have taken a lot of things for granted. And our leaders, and so you're irresponsible, some of them. Those who have been mandated to take charge over some of these avoidable occurrences. So sometimes we wake up and who say, why not to me, a man or the idea, Sefata? That's the challenge. We're on Besusa. We almost blame more buying up and down. When you know, Chino, Obin so ye be as at Twasso. That's the problem. When you know, Chino. Yeah, ni say obi nso sa ye bi di atoa so. Ye be sa ye hwe haya obi an hwe. Yeah. That's another problem.
Oh yes.
You sit down we.
As what the building permit. Difficult, cumbersome, and the process here so long to the sense say, and now what you so bedi je copy so sabeka permit na wi a obi no sika kra obi su dan kwa so kra atwitwan
na ko e beach ni kra wasa dey Asem for aba okoko yempo ano na we dey hwe be gugu
o man na di hwe we dey yen ka say ewi aso bia wo ne e be so no.
It is only in Ghana, Accra, Cape Coast and where the beaches are no and abeko anopemu fanche we people are there as this time called La Palm kwano so you know one I machi we here just go and look at what's happening over there.
No,
look at what's happening over there.
We na
tienko.
So, it is sometimes I try to be so and you see
na Accra na wako gaga ebidwiri na gumu.
No out of form. Na kwabra not mo so e wo mu bi. And not mo wa kwanya se u si dan ya ubetimi agi bibi e fe safety permit for now.
I was the book mu cause now fire service for Accra no mo be ma permit ko atwa for mo so. Na wa go you ko fa na admo aba we mu. Dan no da otra abo na admo aba so.
Oh yes,
man free we mu kra na me kireu say.
Yes.
My ready jagba
no, because no kwapa wo me say ye gi bibia to che sa dan we pa de. Say me mu abusu si dan na nimtia. But wow, unya kakra be first day but say wo si so adwe wa kasa so wo bambo enso. Because we your foot wrong one.
Oh, what was it? My friends here.
Foot wrong one.
Na nda akwasi ase se mu ja akwasi ha. Ono na me ka so be ka bia ma fe de wi eche no samase gu o se ya da. Akwasi munim ni dia. Me nim se akwasi be ka bia fe de wi e. Akwasi na su mu agu fom na ono mo kobare. Mo da na ana nibresem honestly nibresem it's very painful. Wona asem we atom no omu di ya. Yen so a ye hu sa situation yen hye say nyoma bebre atochew. You know, we cannot always blame the top. When we down there, no, so no assemblies, I did to me after film. They say the TV, radio, na ben obi, you know, na more the massima be. But clearly, you are flouting a certain regulation. So we also urge the minister, sector minister, say, Nadaroma, If you sat here and said, oh yeah, the any bar, maybe it's finance, but anything apart from that, we need to action this one. Say, a certain meters or radius, we have to do it. Developing as a country and getting what we want, a bit difficult for us. Teacher neighbor, agriculturists, philanthropists, that several siblings with this share back or the SC. Make sure, make up.